What is our research question and why it is important? Our research question is how pollution in the Laguna de Ilusiones affects crocodilus morality. First, understanding how the pollution make a important impact in this species is vital for this entire thesis. First, the contamination that is present in the Laguna de Ilusiones make the crocodiles to get sick because these toxins stay in the tissues of their skin, and after a short period of time make them present problems like failure of reproduction or the death.
Now, the hypothesis I proposed. We proposed as a team 3 hypotheses. Wastewater discharge into the lagoon has affected multiple species, including Crocodylus morality. Urbanization around the lagoon is directly related to increased pollution. And if wastewater treatment does not improve, the ecosystem and water quality will continue to deteriorate over time. These hypotheses were proposed because previous studies and reports show that untreated wastewater, illegal dumping, and urban growth are major causes of environmental degradation in the lagoon. How are the variables related? The independent variables are pollution sources such as wastewater discharge, industrial waste, and urbanization. The dependent variables are the effects on biodiversity, water quality, and crocodile habitat conditions. The variables are related because human activities increase pollution levels, and this contamination negatively affects the lagoon ecosystem and the health of species like Crocodylus morality. The fourth question: what type of research did you conduct and how did you carry it out? We conducted a mixed method research study because we used both quantitative and qualitative information. We carried out the research by collecting survey responses through Google Forms, reviewing previous studies, reports, and online sources about polluting in the lagoon, analyzing people's perceptions about pollution, wildlife, and environmental regulations. And this approach helped us combine statistical data with community opinions and experiences. What instrument did we use and why? We used Google Forms, a questionnaire, as our research instrument. We selected this instrument because it allowed us to collect standardized information quickly and efficiently from people familiar with the lagoon. It was also practical because the study was conducted online and helped us gather both quantitative and qualitative information. The results on our research paper is that most participants believe the lagoon is polluted and environmentally deteriorated. Many respondents reported seeing illegal dumping, unpleasant odors, dirty water, and negative effects on wildlife habitats. Participants also expressed low trust in environmental authorities and regulations. These results mean that pollution is perceived as a serious environmental problem affecting both the ecosystem and species like Crocodylus morality. The findings also suggest that stronger environmental actions, wastewater treatment, and government intervention are necessary to protect the lagoon and its biodiversity. Now, my experience is that it was really difficult to make this research paper. We had a lot of difficulties, and I learned a lot about the Laguna de las Ilusiones and history of it.
Hola, mi nombre es Karina Isabela García Soto. El día de hoy voy a hablar de mi experiencia realizando las actividades y más en concreto nuestra investigación sobre la contaminación de la Laguna de las Ilusiones. Para mí fue un poco complicado la redacción y la elaboración de nuestro documento, ya que para empezar encontraba un poco ajena a el formato que se debía de utilizar para redactarlo de manera correcta. Además de que me costó un poco de trabajo reunir información porque como se trata de un tema estatal, pues no suele haber mucha información y menos cuando se trata de un tema ambiental como lo es el cuidado y el estado de de la Laguna de las Ilusiones.
Hi, my name is Maria Valentina, and talking about our investigation, what were your results and what do they mean? And in our surveys, we talk with people, and we all agree that the Laguna of las Ilusiones, it doesn't have the right support from the government to help the species like the crocodiles or manatees to survive. In will change probably making more research about the topic and maybe going with someone that specializes in that area or approach to the Conagua for better results. Thank you.